Hi viewers, welcome to my channel Maths by Mother. Thanks for watching my videos and subscribing my channel. Today's topic is trigonometric ratios of 45 degrees of trigonometry from 10th standard textbook. Before getting into the topic, I request you to like and subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon to get my upcoming videos. Let's get into the topic. Consider an isosceles triangle ABC. Here B is the right angle and A is the 45 degrees and C is also 45 degrees. Isosceles triangle is a triangle with two equal sides. An isosceles triangle has both two equal sides and two equal angles. That is, angle A is equal to angle C is equal to 45 degrees and sides are also equal, and BC is equal to AB. Here BC length is, assume AB is equal to BC is equal to A. By using Pythagoras theorem, now we have to find the length of AC. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to A square plus A square. AC square is equal to 2A square. AC is equal to square root of 2A square. AC is equal to square root of 2 is square root 2 into square root of A square is A into root 2. Therefore, length of the AC is A root 2. By the definition of trigonometric ratios, sin 45 degrees is equal to, here angle is A. So, this is the opposite to the angle and this is the adjacent and this is hypotenuse. Sin 45 degrees is equal to side opposite to angle 45 degrees by hypotenuse. That is equal to, here opposite side is BC. BC by hypotenuse is AC. That is equal to BC length is A and AC length is A root 2. A will get cancelled. So 1 by root 2. Sin 45 degrees is equal to 1 by root 2. Cos 45 degrees. Side adjacent to angle 45 degrees by hypotenuse. Adjacent length is AB by AC. AB length is A and AC length is A root 2. A will get cancelled, 1 by root 2. Now we have to find the value of tan 45 degrees. Side opposite to angle 45 degrees by side adjacent to angle 45 degrees. That is equal to BC by AB. BC length is A and AB length is also A. A will get cancelled. Therefore, tan 45 degrees is equal to 1. secant 45 degrees. Here secant is the reciprocal of cos function. Therefore 1 by cos 45 degrees. 1 by cos 45 degrees value is 1 by root 2. That is equal to root 2. Secant 45 degrees value is root 2. And cosecant 45 degrees is equal to, this is the reciprocal function of sine. Sine 45 degrees. The value of sine 45 degrees is 1 by square root of 2. That is equal to root 2. And cot 45 degrees is equal to, this is the reciprocal function of tan 45 degrees. 1 by tan 45 degrees. 1 by tan 45 degrees value is 1. Therefore 1.